welcome back to Let's Squad. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my lava lamp experiment I did for school. Currently my hair is in a weird bun. Who cares though? I don't care if it's messy or not. So anyways, this is what it's gonna look like. So yeah. So I don't have any water. So I'm gonna get you some. Wait. Oh no, dang it, that's mine. So you're gonna need vegetable oil. It doesn't matter what kind, just any vegetable oil. Food coloring, any type of food coloring, and fizzing tablets, which I got the denture kind and stuff. So, yeah. Okay, while she's getting that, I want to show you guys my Junior Olympic ribbons that I got. It's this thing we do for like field events, running, and tug of war and stuff. This is for the tug of war. We got 4th place. This one was for the 4x100 meter, which was the relay team. We got 2nd place. I got 2nd place for the soccer kick. 5th place for the frisbee throw. And 1st place for the 25 meter dash. If you don't know what dash means, it means like sprinting, running. Yeah, that's all my ribbons. And I got a new bathing suit, which if you guys follow me on Instagram, which I recently went private on it. Here, hang on. I have a football game in 2 hours. How great is that? Yeah, follow me on Instagram. Let's see. Nah. Oh, I got a follow request. No, I don't want to follow you. No. Wait. I don't even know who this is. But, well, don't have a private account, so you can look. I have pictures and stuff anytime. And I'm gonna make my Musical.ly unprivate, because I made that private too. Sorry guys for making all this like private and stuff, but alright, sure you go follow me on Musical.ly too. I post stuff daily. Oh, my eyes are itchy. So this morning, I had an allergic reaction on my chest, and it was really itchy and red. So Chesney is back with the water, but first I'm going to show you guys my new earrings, which this is what the one looks like. They're feathers. The other one doesn't have this on it because this one hooks around your cartilage. So, yeah. Alright, let's get started with the experiment. Okay, I'm back. You have to kind of like pour it or drink it to like about here. But I'm using a little bottle. You can use a 1 liter bottle, 2 liter bottle. Doesn't matter. Just as long as it's a water bottle or something. Okay, so I just remembered I have this old water bottle that had pineapple juice in it, which I'm going to pour this water into this water bottle. a little more. Guys, so it should be about right there. This one went to this one. This one went to that. I can tell because this one smells like pineapple. Tastes like it too. This one is currently filled with it. So, I'll put that in there. Alright, what you're going to do is you're going to take the vegetable oil, which I had this left over from my experiment, which is currently really hard to open right now. Can't get it.
Need help?
Oh my goodness. Alright, I got it. After a couple seconds, I used to. No, you have to fill it to it's about at the top. So,
Just take a while.
Okay. Time to pour. But you have to be very careful.
It looks like water.
Sorry guys, my mom walked in. Chesney is currently crying right now because she doesn't want to do reading program thing. So, okay, Chesney's gone, so you don't have to hear her crying. I'm currently tall right now because I have these shoes on that make me taller. They're my sister. They're Chesney's. But I'm wearing them right now. Don't judge me. They're comfortable. They're like really comfortable. So, anyways, back to this. I'm not done filling it up yet. Just a little. Oh, that was loud. Just a little more. Okay. Oh, wrong cap. No, you don't want to fill it all the way. Whoa. I just slipped. You don't want to fill it all the way to the top because, well, I'm going to pour some out because that's a lot. And you want to have some room at the top for the air bubbles to have, like, oxygen and stuff. Okay. That's good. Now you're just going to wait a little bit until the water and the oil separate almost fully. And the reason they separate is because the vegetable oil is less dense than the water. Like, it's thicker than the water. The water's thinner and more easy to work with and stuff. So yeah, just wait a little bit. Okay, once you wait a little bit, it's gonna kind of look like that. And if you want one color, you put 10 drops in. If you want to mix a color, 2 colors, 5. So, or whatever, just do stuff. I'm going to put 5 of this, 2, 3, 4, 5 of that, and then 5 of red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then if you have something to mix it, like an old pencil you don't use or something, like I'm gonna use this one because I'm not gonna use this pencil. I'm just gonna dip this in here, kind of try to mix it. Okay. And then after you do that, I'm just gonna do this real quick so I can put it in here. So I'm going to take, my hands are all oily. this bag is going to be trash anyways, so... Oh, and make sure you have a rag or something with you, just in case you get oily or something, or you make a mess. And if it overflows, you don't want that to happen. So, this is what it looks like. Now, after you do that, you don't have to mix it if you don't want to. Just do that. You get fizzing tablets, which you can have Alka-Seltzer, these that clean dentures, and yeah, but you only need one. And what you do is you break it in half, which this already broke in half, kind of. So you just put one half in and just anything happening? Solving? Might have to put the other half in. Well, it's working, but put the other half in. Watch the magic of it. See how the bubbles from it are coming up? Soon, it'll grab the color in the water, which it's doing, kind of doing it right now. Yep, it's doing it right now, and it'll come up with it. With a flashlight, it looks really cool, but I don't know if it'll work because it doesn't really work, but it kind of does. It's only because the darkness of the purple is absorbing the light, so it's not letting it through. So yeah, lava lamp experiment. And if it's dark, well, I added blue, green, yellow, and red to this, and it all turned out red for somehow. Yeah, if you want your own mini lava lamp, there it is. Alright, I'm back. I had to eat. See, like, it bubbles up. Alright. Now I'm going to show you guys an example of the bigger one. Which I'm gonna put both pieces in. So I'm gonna put the big piece in, see what happens. It's not starting right away. I'm gonna add more because they're only on this side, so it's only coming up on one side. Just break this in half. Alright. Here it is. The example of the bigger one. Now, see if the light works on this one since it got lighter. It kind of works. It's definitely lighting up the bottom. It doesn't really work. But yeah, I'm going to put this over it so that doesn't, like, it'll soak it up.
Did you put a full one in there?
I actually put 2 full ones in there. But you don't want to put too much of it in there because then it'll start to overflow too much.
I thought of this cotton ball thing. I'm smart.
Oh no, it's going over. Absorb it. It's starting to flow over. But if it does and it's pushing the cotton ball off, just hold the cotton ball on it. See, because if you let go, then all of it's just going to come like spraying out. And if it does start to overflow, just wipe it off with the rag. Jess, can you hand me that? My boards.
Oh, see? The black thing is on it.
I can feel it. The water
Absorbing.
Yep. And it's absorbing quickly. Okay, I'm going to switch to this. Oh gosh. Okay, it's coming. Okay. It stopped overflowing a little bit. Oh, it's overflowing still.
Still gonna overflow.
But I'm gonna replace the cotton ball with the cloth. So yeah. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. So yeah. Bye.